Doggies put brakes on. It's her first time in the snow. Oh, she's going for a walk. Eventually she'll catch on. You just give a good pull and they walk. Alright, off we go. They had enough of the snow. But that's how they walk. Man, you could have seen the fog that was coming down. And look at that cloud overhead. 4K, 60 frames per second. EIS is horizon balance with field of view, standard dewalk. Now we're talking about the pro settings of the camera. Exposure auto. We have 2 things to set up. More like 3 things. Shutter speed, EV value, and ISO value. Shutter speed can be set up to 1/100th or 1/200th through 8000. I do 1/200 over 8000. I like keeping my EV value on the negative side, 0.3. As easy as I can say it, ISO the minimum 100 and the maximum, which is what, 12,500? And of course we have 2 more to go. And we're talking about texture, which is your sharpness, and video noise reduction. And they're going to be -2 for the texture and -1 for the video noise reduction. We have auto white balance. You got it, auto. And of course, stabilization scene on daily. We have a KNF filter on. It's a 1/4 black mist filter. And that's the fish's settings. The fish has settings for day and night, which he uses the same. Well, there you go. If you want to know anything about settings, just post down below, and I'd be more than happy to tell you again. Have a great night.